Can you share any, I don't know, maybe pivotal moments or lessons that you've learned during your laundry journey here these last 9 years, and maybe how they've impacted your leadership style or maybe a business philosophy that you've developed? What lessons or pivotal moments have there been along the way?
Right. Um, One of the things that I've always lived by is the adage, and I teach it to my kids. We always say different doesn't mean wrong, it just means different. And what I mean by that is I love hearing different opinions. I feel like it will either further entrench you in your opinion and you say, no, this is really what I think, or it opens your eyes to other opinions and other points of view. So I think that's just absolutely crucial when building a business to really keep your finger on the pulse of the community and your clients. One thing that's admittedly been tough for me as a business owner is when folks write reviews, right? And I know a lot of folks think, oh, it's just a review. I always say people are very brave behind a keyboard. And, some of the things that will be said, it can hurt. If I'm being honest, it can hurt. And a lot of folks don't think there's some small business owner sitting on the other side of that computer who's seeing this. But what I try to look at it as, as much as I don't like problems or mistakes or issues, I love the way I feel when I've solved it. I love the way I feel when we as a team have delighted a customer that may have had a less than positive experience. So I think that's one of the real areas of growth that I've had within the business, and a real great lesson that I've learned is to, instead of look at something as a problem, look at it as an opportunity to delight your customer or delight your vendor or whatever that may be, because there's always going to be another opportunity around the corner. It's just really what you make of it.